Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and if
All
you
love fur babies in our life, but that's why you have to check out this leishiyen 3-in-1 carpet rake kit set. It comes with 3 items. It has a handheld rake that is easy to carry in your cleaning bag, can get all that fur out of any rugs, pillows. It's got a metal rake side that will actually get any fabric pills or hair. This is just so great for anything that maybe is set up for your animal to sleep on, and it's so easy to clean. It also has a glove rake, which you just strap on with some Velcro, and you can get into crevices on your couch. If you have a cat or a dog that's going to be sleeping on here, you can get into all those hard to reach areas. And again, this is very easy to wash because it's made of silicone and breathable fabric. You can see this couch that I cleaned for a client. This is where her dog normally sleeps. You can just see how much hair has accumulated, and look at the difference after using these products, and look how happy he is. Now, the star of this set is definitely the big fur rake. You can just see how much hair it lifts up. And then you can take the squeegee part out and you have a big metal rake, which is really going to get down deep into that fabric grooves, and you're going to be able to get even more. What's great, you can put the squeegee back on, and this just allows you to kind of rake up the rest of the fur on the smooth floor surface. This is just such a game changer for anyone who has animals or who cleans houses with animals.
and I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.